Welcome back to my HTML tutorial series for beginners. This is Lesson 3, an introduction to Devtools. In this tutorial, we'll delve into the world of Devtools and explore how it can be your best companion when creating HTML documents. There are 3 learning outcomes for this video. Learning Outcome 1. Understand what Devtools is. Learning Outcome 2. Understand how to access Devtools. Learning Outcome 3. Understand the different panels within Devtools. Let's get started. Learning Outcome 1. Understand what Devtools is. Devtools, short for Developer Tools, is an indispensable feature offered by modern web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and others. It is a set of built-in tools that empower web developers to inspect, diagnose, and manipulate web content, including HTML documents. It enables developers to inspect. It allows developers to inspect the structure and styling of web pages in real time. Debug. It allows developers to detect and resolve issues, errors, and performance bottlenecks. Edit. It allows developers to modify HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on the fly to see instant results on the web page. Monitor. It allows developers to keep an eye on network activity, errors, and JavaScript console messages. And lastly, Test. It allows developers to simulate various screen sizes, input methods, and network conditions. Learning Outcome 2. Understand how to access Devtools. To open Devtools, you can either right-click on the web page and select Inspect, or use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl-Shift-I on Windows or Command-Option-I on Mac. Learning Outcome 3. Understand the different panels within Devtools. The Elements panel. The Elements panel allows you to inspect the HTML structure of a web page and navigate through the DOM, or Document Object Model, to see how elements are nested. You can also hover over elements to highlight them on the page. In this panel, you can also right-click on an element to copy its HTML, edit attributes, or delete it. The Styles panel. The Styles panel lets you inspect and modify CSS styles on a web page. You can experiment and see your changes reflected in real time, like adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts. Additionally, you can use this panel to toggle CSS properties on or off to see their effects. The Console panel. The Console panel is primarily used when dealing with JavaScript. It is useful for debugging JavaScript and viewing error messages. Additionally, you can execute JavaScript commands and see their output. The Network panel. The Network panel monitors network activity, including requests and responses. It allows you to inspect how resources are loaded and their timing, as well as analyze HTTP headers and response content. We will be discussing API requests and responses in another tutorial. In conclusion, Devtools is a powerful companion for web developers. Its versatility in inspecting, debugging, and optimizing web content makes it an essential tool for anyone working in web development. You should explore its various panels and features to enhance your HTML development skills and create exceptional web pages. Thank you for tuning into this lesson. Stay tuned for more programming tutorials. I'll see you guys next time.